is it what? This is it what? It's time for graduation. This convocation will keep so amazing and very impatient. We've had it ups, we've had it downs, but still we chose to hang around. Now forgetting about the teachers that gave us extra hand, cheering the class faces roll down. Johnny knew the F's, Laddie knew the Y. Listen together, we know how to multiply. What? We never got 100 on those papers in English. At some point, he thought that we were writing in gibberish. Now we go down to the teacher who's always very right. So my mother did graduation, Tantino. You wouldn't believe she was half Latino. Although after third form, most of us dropped it. I'm sure we left French even just a little bit. Now, we talk in French every lesson, and we do every honestly avoid having a session. For those who did TV, Mr. Poncho is crazy. Birthday on Saturdays, we never had it our own way. Now let's just tell you. She always had 5 days. It was going to be stuff on Mondays. Innocently, there'll be slight comments, but as principal, she would adhere to one nonsense. Mrs. Thomas and Mrs. T made sure we knew every key. He tells us how to play well. It's going to be hard to sit here well. Now to the IT lab, we go. All the time we spent was so dope. We are now together, and the trip to the stars we type, and the CPU of our lives. An integrated science should be like the fulcrum, the effort, the load, the levers, and all this. How to calculate momentum and collision, and you'd be like, what the heck is this? The moment you can't forget, she never had a teacher's pet. In all, she seems to understand us the best. Simple and fractional distillation, then should be like find a chemical equation, and in the next situation, balance the equation, and how to do a filtration. From Miss Norton's ball, chat in class, and do sex up. If you were too talkative, she'd tell you that's a prerogative. She loves to chase you out of class and tell you to go counter grass. Miss Black, she always put on an act. Get her upset, and she give you a hot smack. Alex. Mrs. Spear was a man born from Florida. He thinks he can play any sport, but wasn't an athlete of any sort. Since we're on the topic of sports, was really late, and she sent us to the court to jumping jacks, lunges, and even squats. Anything she could find had us tired by halftime. How can we get Miss Bunty, who said Mr. Credit is a bad man for business, but we guarantee you won't go hungry when you have your money. Graduation class of 2014.